Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the EZVIZ C8PF smart home camera. It has dual cameras right here. Here's some really cool features that it has to offer. 340-degree pan, 80-degree tilt. A lot of these details will be in the description below. You get picture-in-picture display mode, 8x mixed zoom options, AI-powered human shape detection. So if it sees two arms and two legs, it's going to say, oh, that's a human, so let's start recording. It's weatherproof design, has two-way talk functionality, so you can talk to the other person that's standing on the other side of where this camera is looking. It has IR night vision up to 98 feet, so that's quite a bit further from other night vision cameras for your home or office. Has 360-degree panoramic coverage and supports MicroSD cards up to 512 gigabytes. So here's the actual camera itself. Comes all the features that you need for install, and you can use an app on your iPhone or Android. And this is from a company called EZVIZ. So you have the two peepers right there, and then the screw ports right there to screw into the wall, and then you have your cabling right here, and then you have all the installation kit pieces here and here, and then the charger that you need right here. So it's pretty easy to install from EZVIZ, and this is the C8PF smart home camera. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.